Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you placed an order on DoorDash and suddenly realized you selected the wrong item, forgot to add something, or want to make changes before delivery, you might be wondering if editing the order is even possible. The answer depends on how quickly you act because once the restaurant starts preparing the food, some changes may no longer be available. Many users think they have to cancel the whole order, but in some situations, DoorDash allows small edits directly inside the app. It is important to check the order status quickly and follow the right process before the order moves too far. Timing matters here, so making changes early gives you the best chance. In this video, I will show you step by step how to edit a DoorDash order. Try this. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app and go to the current DoorDash order section. Step 2. Select the active DoorDash order that you want to edit. Step 3. Check if the DoorDash order shows an edit or modify option. Step 4. Add, remove, or change items inside the DoorDash order if editing is available. Step 5. Review the updated DoorDash order and confirm any price changes. Step 6. Save the changes to the DoorDash order and check the updated order details.